Happy Bobby girl, you know why you were. You're right. If you not care, I'll make you understand. But right the other way. No, Bitong, you did it.
Yeah, because I mentioned the bosses attack you while racing. These bosses are super tough to beat. I mean, look, I only have 4 seconds to shoot all 3 classes of boss, which I do very easily. Also, you can try out the giant cannon defense game mode where you control a cannon and take on even more hordes of zombies. I gave this a try and, well...
Happy Bobby girl, you know why you were.
I only managed to get 19,000 points, but if you guys try out this game using the link in my description, I'm sure you can easily beat my score and get onto waves much higher. Alex, zombie, stop, run. Skeleton, can you not? Oh my god, that was close. As once again, I found myself trapped with no escape, so I used this chance to get some stone, better tools, coal, and iron. And once the coast was clear, thanks to the Titan going to sleep, I made my escape. Okay, that was brutal, but now, the next day while traveling across the desert, I found myself surrounded by Titans. This was bad. Run to the plains, run to the plains! Okay, I'm in the clear. Now I need more food if I'm going to be slaying Titans. I hear footsteps. Run, run! That is so fast! I had one came over into a river and I looked ahead. There was another Titan. This was very bad. Thanks to a stroke of luck, it somehow didn't see me. It can swim and it's still chasing me. What the heck? Stop. What? Stop! My back against the wall, or a lake even. It was still chasing me. So I dived into the water and swam away to a safer spot. Wait, she can swim? Finally safe from that threat. I found Captain Levi told me of a large tree forest I could head to if I wanted to set up my base there. I knew that would be the best place for setting up a base to take down Titans, so I wouldn't have to worry about being crushed by Titans. Oh, thanks, Levi. So on days 8 to 12, I began my travels from getting towards this giant tree biome Levi spoke of. He made it seem like it was close, but due to his ODM gear, it was clearly way easier for him to reach it. I took a quick break traveling because I realized something. I need to get
Bye guys, bye.